Hello, tech enthusiasts around the globe. You're tuned into Tech Trends, your ultimate portal for all things tech. Here at Tech Trends, our mission is to demystify the world of technology. We're all about simplifying complex concepts and bringing you the most engaging content on trending tech topics. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a tech newbie, we've got something for you. So buckle up, because today we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a buzzword you've likely heard before, but what exactly does it mean? Let's break it down to the basics. Artificial intelligence is a fascinating field of study within the realm of computer science. Its main goal? To create intelligent machines, but not just any kind of intelligent machines. We're talking about machines that can mimic human intelligence. Imagine walking into your house and having a conversation with your speaker system about your day, or asking your car to find the best route to your favorite restaurant. This is the world artificial intelligence is working towards. A world where machines understand, learn, and interact with humans in a way that feels, well, human. But how does artificial intelligence achieve this? Well, it involves a lot of complex algorithms and data processing. In essence, AI systems are designed to learn from experience. They take in vast amounts of data, process it, and use it to make informed decisions or predictions. Artificial intelligence isn't just about creating machines that can think, though. It's also about creating machines that can learn. This is one of the key aspects of AI, the ability to adapt and improve over time. Just like humans, AI systems can learn from their mistakes and successes, continuously refining their understanding and performance. Now, you might be wondering, if AI is all about mimicking human intelligence, does that mean it can replicate all aspects of our cognition? The answer is not quite. While AI has made significant strides in many areas, there are still aspects of human cognition, like our ability to understand complex emotions or our capacity for creative thinking, that AI has yet to master. But don't be fooled by its limitations. The progress of artificial intelligence in recent years has been nothing short of remarkable, and its potential applications are truly mind-boggling. From healthcare to entertainment, transportation to education, there's virtually no sector that AI can't revolutionize. In essence, AI is all about creating smart machines that can think and learn like us humans. AI is not a monolith. There are actually different types of AI. Now let's dive into the two main categories that the AI world revolves around: weak AI and strong AI. First up, we have weak AI, also known as narrow AI. This type of AI is designed to carry out specific tasks. It's the kind of AI that's already integrated into our daily lives. When you ask Siri for the weather, or when your Spotify playlist magically seems to understand your music taste, that's weak AI at work. They're task-specific, designed to do one thing extremely well. However, no matter how proficient they are at their tasks, these AI systems don't possess any genuine understanding or consciousness. They're simply following algorithms and learning patterns to deliver results. On the other side of the coin, we have strong AI, also known as artificial general intelligence. This is the type of AI that science fiction often portrays. A strong AI is a system that possesses the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. It's not just about mimicking human intelligence, but about genuinely understanding and learning from experiences. Unlike weak AI, strong AI has a sense of consciousness and can make decisions in unfamiliar situations. However, it's important to note that strong AI is largely theoretical at this moment, as we're still quite a distance away from creating a machine that can fully mimic human cognition. So there you have it. The two main types of AI. They're like two sides of the same coin, each with its unique traits and capabilities. The weak AI is already a part of our everyday lives, silently working in the background to make our lives easier. The strong AI, on the other hand, is the future we're working towards. A future where machines can learn, understand, and decide just like us. So whether it's Siri on your iPhone, a weak AI, or a future robot that can completely mimic human behavior, a strong AI, it's all part of the vast AI spectrum. Now that we've defined AI and its types, you might be wondering, how does AI actually work? To understand this, we must first delve into the concept of machine learning, which forms the crux of AI. Machine learning, or ML for short, is a method of data analysis that automates the building of analytical models. It's a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Think of it as teaching a child to identify animals. You show them pictures of dogs and say, "This is a dog." After seeing enough pictures, the child can identify a dog, even one they've never seen before, based on the characteristics they've learned. That's essentially how machine learning works. AI uses algorithms and statistical models to perform tasks without explicit instructions. But what does that mean? An algorithm is like a recipe. It's a set of instructions that describes how to perform a task. For instance, a cooking recipe is an algorithm because it tells you what to do, step by step. In AI, these algorithms are used to create models, which are then used to make predictions or decisions without being specifically programmed to perform the task. These models are trained on a lot of data, and they learn from this data to make accurate predictions or decisions. For example, a weather prediction model is trained on past weather data, and it uses this information to predict future weather conditions. It wasn't explicitly programmed to know that if it's hot and humid, there's a high chance of rain. It learned this from the data it was trained on. And that's the beauty of AI. It's not just about programming a computer to perform a task. It's about teaching a computer to learn from data, to find patterns, and to use those patterns to make predictions or decisions. So while AI might seem complex and intimidating at first, it's actually quite simple when you break it down. It's all about learning from data, recognizing patterns, and making informed decisions based on those patterns. In simple terms, AI learns from experience just like we do. So where do we see AI in our daily lives? As it turns out, artificial intelligence has seeped into numerous facets of our daily routine. Perhaps the most familiar instance of AI we interact with are voice assistants. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are all powered by AI. They understand our commands, answer our queries, and even crack a joke or two, all thanks to the machine learning algorithms that form their foundation. But it's not just in our homes or smartphones. AI's influence extends to the world of online shopping and entertainment. Ever wondered how Netflix always seems to know the perfect show for your mood? Or how Amazon always suggests the perfect gift for your loved ones? Behind the scenes, recommendation engines are hard at work. These engines use AI to analyze your preferences, previous choices, and browsing history to predict and suggest what you might like next. Moving on to the roads, self-driving cars are no longer a thing of the future. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are leveraging AI to create autonomous vehicles. These vehicles use AI to understand their surroundings, anticipate potential hazards, and make split-second decisions, all in the name of safety and efficiency. In the realm of healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images and detect anomalies much faster and more accurately than the human eye. This allows for early detection of conditions like cancer, significantly improving patient outcomes. AI is also making waves in the financial sector, where it's used for fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. It enables banks to monitor thousands of transactions per second and flag any suspicious activity. In conclusion, AI is not just a fancy buzzword. It's a transformative technology that's already reshaping our world. It's in our homes, on our screens, on our roads, and even in our healthcare. From your Netflix recommendations to self-driving cars, AI is everywhere. Well, that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to artificial intelligence. We've journeyed together through the intriguing world of AI, demystifying its complex concepts into digestible segments. We launched into this voyage of discovery by understanding what artificial intelligence is, before delving deeper into its varied types. We then explored how AI works, pulling back the curtain to reveal the intricate mechanisms behind this groundbreaking technology. Finally, we touched on the myriad applications of AI, showcasing how this tech marvel is transforming our world. At Tech Trends, our mission is to simplify the complex, to make the world of technology accessible to all, and to ignite a spark of curiosity in the minds of our viewers. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a curious novice, we believe in empowering you with knowledge, and hopefully we've done just that with our beginner's guide to AI. But the world of tech is vast and ever-evolving. There's always something new to learn, a fresh perspective to consider, a novel technology to explore, and that's where we need your help. We want to hear your thoughts, your questions, your ideas. Now it's over to you. What do you think about AI? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to Tech Trends for more simplified tech content. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.